Hey guys, welcome back, and this is how to write on Microsoft Whiteboard. So first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and select a new board over here. And in order for you to write, you will have two options, guys. You can just simply go ahead and select this icon over here, which is the ink, and you will have multiple colors, which is the black, red, and the galaxy one. And from here, you can just simply use a highlighter as well. So pretty much this will be depending on you, and when you double click on it, you can change the color as well. And same thing with the pens over here. You could change your three most used color that you prefer. And now from here, you could use the eraser as well over here if you want to erase something. And after that, guys, you should be able to write everything on the whiteboard. And when you right click on the whiteboard and drag it, you should be able to change the whiteboard. And from here, you could also add a text over here, which is when you click on the whiteboard, you should be able to provide a text, and you can change it into bold, italic, and underline. So this will be depending on you. And from there, guys, you should be able to create a text, and that's simply about it, by using the pen icon and the text bar over here. And if this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.